Welcome to Market Analysis channel. Today I will be giving analysis on Atom. Atom has been hitting the support zone for almost 3 times, and now it wants to hit it for the 4th time. Let me get into this analysis in detail so we can see what's happening with Atom. When Atom hit the resistance where the uptrend resumes line was drawn, it reversed a little bit. It closes underneath the moving averages, and the price come down drastically, hitting its prior support zone. As it's hitting the support zone, buyers stepped in on this particular bar. They push it and close it towards the upside, and the volume was also above average volume. That's a very good indication that buyers are gaining strength. Then we have several inside bar that occur. All these bar closes inside the bar that the buyer show their strength. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have about 8 bars that has closed already inside the bar. That is telling us that the buyers are standing their ground. They are not willing to give much direction to the sellers again. It's as if the buyers has finally wake up from their slumber and they are about to push the price upward. And when you look at the volume, when the bar rises, the volume was above average. It shows there was strength on the buyer side. But when the bar keeps dropping a little, all the volume were below average. It's telling us that the sellers are getting weak. They don't have much strength to continue pushing the price upward. Also, don't forget, the trade is at support zone. Support zone is a zone where buyer gains strength and where they can come in with full force. And that's exactly what is happening now on Atom. What we are going to wait for is we need an upward close bar like this particular one, or this or this. If we finally see any of this upward close bar on any of this support zone, we'll enter our initial order from that particular point, and we will wait for it to rise up to this last resistance zone, which is at 11.958. Once it finally rises to this price and it break above it to 12, then we know the uptrend has resumed, and we'll finally add more to our position and our trade will continue. Let me try to draw a trend line on these lower highs that are happening and see what has been playing on in Atom for some time now. I'll be picking the trend line. I'll start it from the top at where point 2 is. I'll extend it downward and see what's really going on. Okay, I've extended the downward trend line, and when you can see that the trend line heads downward, but the support was intact and is standing its ground. So whenever the price rises above this trend line around 12, which we projected as well, that's when the uptrend will resume. So if price finally break above this trend line, the uptrend has finally resumed, and that will become additional position that will add to our trade that we have started from the support zone if we finally have an upward closing bar. Let me take off the trend line. So when you look at this now, our projection is now the distance from point 1 to point 2, which is about 83% increase. That will now be the projection that we will use to calculate our profits on Atom, and that falls to around 22.000. If this analysis really help you, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, like the video and post your question in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.